Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 26th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the US dollar index, I definitely think this is turning into a wave one, wave two, and we're currently in a wave three. We are approaching a pretty big area of resistance, as you can see, a lot of resistance and support in the past right there. If this really is a wave three, though, it likely is not going to stop here. It definitely could make a decent little pullback. But if it's really a wave three, it's actually probably going to target the 161% fib. The 161% fib is all the way up here, and that's all the way up towards the previous highs. So I definitely would still be recommending longs in an uptrend on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. Going down to the 1 hour, you can put your Fibonacci retracement up from here to here, because if this really is a wave three, then anything you see to the downside should just be a pullback to the last wave. So keep an eye on your Fibonacci retracement levels, look for three waves down, look for nice engulfing moves to the upside for more potential longs on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.